Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to create a new cool design using turtle. So okay, first of all we'd like to import turtle. Yep. New right t equals turtle dot turtle. Then we'd like to write t dot speed 0. Then we'd like to write turtle dot bg color black, like the background color will be always black. The next thing we'd like to do is write colors equals red, blue, green, yellow, purple. Yep. Then we'd like to do is write for I in range 36 times t dot colors I percentage 5. Then we'd like to write t dot circle 100. Then we'd like to write t dot right 10 times and turtle dot done. Yep, so let's save it up guys and let's run it. Okay guys, it's not opening. Yep guys, here we go. So okay guys, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.